Now let's get to the second type of comparison plots, the bar chart. This represents the categorical data with rectangular bars. So it is often used when we have categorical data. The length or height of each bar corresponds to the frequency or value of the category it represents. A series of bars, each representing a different category or group. Typically, it is oriented either horizontally or vertically with the length or height proportional to the value or frequency of the category. The key features are the bars, the axis, labels, and the title. The common use cases for bar charts. It is used when comparing the values of different categories or groups. Is useful when displaying the frequencies or counts of any categorical data. Very much useful when showing rankings or distribution within the data set and visualizing the survey results, market shares, or performance metrics. We can make use of bar charts. So the types of bar charts, if you look at, there are basically four types: vertical bar chart, horizontal bar chart, grouped bar chart, and stacked bar chart. So first coming to the best practices while using the bar charts. So better to arrange categories in a logical order to facilitate the comparison and interpretation. So when we are talking about the categories, so arrange them in proper order. So if each category talks about a year, then better arrange those years in ascending order so that it becomes easier to compare and interpret the results. Use consistent spacing between bars to avoid misleading visual cues. So the gap between the two bars should be consistent, otherwise there would be some visual problems and that will lead to inaccurate understanding about what we are trying to convey. Then each bar should be labeled directly on the bar itself, or if not possible, then a proper clear legend has to be provided to indicate meaning of each bar. Should choose appropriate colors and styles to enhance readability, and we must ensure that label axis uh, and titles are clear and self-descriptive. So these are examples of bar charts. So one is shown horizontally, which usually called bar chart, and if it is put vertically, we commonly call it column chart. Then we can group them together. So here what we are talking is we are trying to convey more information in one chart. So what all information we have, one information is about the year line, other information is about the value, sales by year and country we are trying to talk here. So the total sales are presented here, and every year three bars are presented in vertical way, and the blue one represents the sales in Canada, the orange one about US, and the gray one is about Mexico. So the same thing is repeated because they are grouped. So in 18 what happened, in 19 what happened, in 20 what happened, in 21 what happened. So if you just put that all together, then more information is made available simultaneously, like what is happening with the total sales in US. Then you concentrate only on the orange bars, and you see that 18 it was high, then went on reducing till 20, and then suddenly in 21 it grew up. Looking at the Canada, it's almost consistent, going up, down, up, down, up, down. And looking at Mexico, it's doing well and well with time. So it started slow and then consistently is trying to increase from time to time. So all these informations can be made available when this whole thing is put in the bar chart.